Hi, I hope you're having a good day. This is Pamela of Pamela Quilts, and it's a beautiful sunny day today on the Oregon coast. And I'm here to show you what I received in my Island Batik Ambassador shipment for July of 2024. Twice a year, Island Batik and their partners supply us with all of the things we need to make gorgeous projects for our challenges. So this is what I have received for the rest of this year. So I'm going to show you the different things and tell you kind of some of my ideas maybe of what I'm going to be working on, or at least you'll be able to see the fabrics that I'm planning to be working on. So I'm going to start with the surprise bundle, and this is for our November blog hop. So each ambassador will make a lap size quilt, and the theme is Dresden plates. So I have some ideas for using this already, and I'm kind of excited to open it up and see the fabrics. The next thing we have is our solids, and we get 4 yards each of gray, white, and black. And we received the dark gray this time, which I really like. I enjoyed having that last time to work with for a fall challenge. We received a pre-cut, and these are 10-inch squares. It's called a stack, and this is Tranquil Moments, and I just love all these soft colors, and I got these 2 neutrals to go with it, and this peachy one and this beautiful blue one, which is Harbor, and I have not had this blue before, but it is beautiful. I really love it. So I'll be making a miniature with this. I've really enjoyed using the 10-inch squares for miniatures. They seem to work really well. Gives you plenty of fabric, but you don't have a lot of leftovers. You don't have to deal with big yardage, so I kind of recommend those. I also received 2 packages of stash builder rolls, and the ones I received this time are in blues and teals, and those are going to be really cool to work with. I'm thinking of doing something with these in December. I think that would be fun. So December is a free challenge. We can make whatever we want. I also received in pre-cuts these beautiful precious pink strips, and I love the variation of the different pinks. Pink is a fabric I tend to run out of a lot, so I'm excited to have those. And then I've got these naturally neutral squares, so those might end up going with the ones I'm using for August for the miniature, because it's always fun to use a range of different neutrals for background in a quilt. So I think those would work really well. We've got 6 yards of a neutral, and this one is hiding. There it is. This is vanilla. I have not worked with vanilla yet, but I like it. It's kind of a rich golden color, very pretty. The last one I had in that color was parchment. I think it's a little lighter than that, but I really liked it. It made a nice background. Okay, for October, we're doing a By Annie bag project, and I chose to do Travel Essentials 2.0, and Annie generously supplied all of the things we needed to make our bag. So there's zippers and hardware and vinyl and webbing for the straps, and of course the lovely soft and stable fabric. Is that what it's called? Now I have to look. The blooper. Well, I'm not going to get that out, but I think that's what it is. Anyway, it's that nice. Whoa, I'm losing my vinyl. Help. Well, it's a comedy video now. We'll put those down there. So I'm excited to work with that. I really need a new little travel bag for my essentials when I travel. So that'll be a nice one to make. And if I like it, it'll be a great gift idea too. This is a package of foundations. So we have some different colors that'll go with the other things we received. There's a light gray, blue, pink. So these are solids. And then these are more patterned. So lots of nice colors there, lots of pinks. So I'm really excited about our September blog hop, which we're going to make an like a full bloom style quilt. And I received Geometrica, and this is designed by Jerry Kiev. And look at these beautiful colors. They're just kind of soft. They're kind of like a springy, maybe even a little fallish, but they're just really attractive. So I've got those to work with. And Aurifil sent a collection of threads, and these are the 40 weights, so they'll show up really nicely in the stitching. But these are some really pretty colors that go with the fabrics I received. So we'll be using these for doing some nice thread painting on the edges of our pieces. And I kind of have an idea. I'm a little excited but nervous about it to see how it comes out. But I think it'll be really fun to try. I've been watching videos on the technique, and it's really fun. And I received this light and this dark for the neutral, to go with these, which aren't they just perfect? So pretty. I think that's going to be just a fun project. So the last thing we have is the batting. And I've tried a lot of the Hobbs batting, and I love them. There's a fusible batting, and this one I used last year for my quilted jacket, and it was great for the jacket because just not having to baste and being able to fuse all the pieces together for the pieces was awesome. So looking forward to using that. And it gave me more confidence in using it in a bigger quilt. So we received black as well. And I love the black batting. It's a wonderful weight and texture, and it quilts so nicely. It's perfect for any quilt that's dark. This is the silk blend, and we received this in a throw size, and I adore this. You think of silk as being something, silky. You think of it being smooth and slippery, but this is not smooth and slippery at all, and it quilts wonderfully. It's just awesome batting. I'm going to show you this one before I get to the last one. This is Thermore. This is their lightweight poly. It's ultra thin, non-bearding. Believe it or not, this is a queen size in this little package. This is awesome batting. It's great for hand quilting, machine quilting. You can quilt it 9 inches apart. It doesn't shrink. And it's super thin. It's only 1/16 of an inch, so it's really nice for a lightweight quilt. The last one is one I have not tried before. This is the Supreme 100% unbleached cotton. This says that it is thick, super soft, and cuddly. Breathes naturally. The package feels so soft. I'm excited to try this. You can quilt it 3 to 4 inches apart. It shrinks 5 to 6%, which is pretty standard for a cotton batting. But it says it's the ultimate quilt batting, developed for discriminating quilters. So I think that's going to have to go in a very special project. But I'm excited to try that out. It's always fun to try something new. Oh, okay. I was just reading the label. Nothing really super important. I really appreciate Hobbs sending batting and the Aurifil thread. We have all this beautiful Island Batik Island Batik fabric for our projects. This is the comedy show today. Sorry. I'm distracted by the birds outside. By Annie for sending all the supplies for the project we make with her pattern. It's all great. And we've also received an Aliso iron earlier this year. Schmetz needles, which are pretty much what I use in my sewing machine all the time. Oh, what else did we see? Well, we got a ruler from Studio 180 Designs. That was what I used in last month's project. So you can hop over to my blog at PamelaQuilts.com and check that out. So lots of good things. Oh, yes, and we also, all the Island Batik Ambassadors were invited to become Missouri Star Quilt Company affiliates. So the great news is if you use my affiliate link you will save 20% on an order of $50 or more. There are certain exclusions, so you have to watch out for that. But it's a super great deal. I get a little bit of pay for that. I forget what you call it. this getting older stuff sucks. Anyway, yeah, we get a little bit of a percentage from your purchase, but you save money and we get money, so that's a win-win in my book. So I'll link that in the comments. And they carry Island Batik fabrics. They often have them on sale, and your 20% comes off of sale items too. I've bought Aurifil thread. It's really getting tempting to spend money on Missouri Star with that discount, let me tell you. So I will keep you updated on that. I have a box from them I want to show you soon. But that's it. I'm just so appreciative of being part of the Island Batik Ambassador program. This is my 10th year. I've enjoyed all the different fabrics that I've been able to work with over the years, and I'm looking forward to working with these new fabrics. And it's so fun to share with you all the new fabrics too. So these things, this one will be coming to stores probably September-ish when we're showing that. And pre-cuts are often available beforehand. So if you want to get your hand on them early, look for the pre-cuts. So I think that's about it. I think I've covered everything. Thank you for watching. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you get to maybe spend a little time outdoors if it's nice. And I hope you definitely get to spend some time quilting. Have a wonderful time. Bye.